Hello guys, this is Fazini. Welcome to my channel. This is the first video about my homemade Casanova Pinball. I'd like to present you with a bunch of videos the work in progress of this project. But first of all, let's give credits to some people. First, my girlfriend that launched the challenge and helped me to design the storytelling of the playfield. Then my brother that helped me a lot with the mechanics. And finally, my dad that helped with the electronics. In this first video, I'm gonna cover the initial parts of the project, like building the cabinet, the first mechanisms such as the bats, the paper bats, the slingshots. Then in the next videos, we will take a look at the other design parts, such as the inner parts of the playfields and so on. So let's start with the cabinet. We designed it from scratch and reported the outline on multi-layer wood panels. Then I cut them with a jigsaw and finally assembled the panels with L-shaped metal plates. The cabinet is 89 cm long and 45 cm wide. Here you can see the wooden supports of the playfield, which is 40 by 65 cm wide. The supports ensure the correct tilt of the playfield and allow moving it easily from the cabinet. These are the buttons that will activate the flipper bats and will also get enlightened when pressed. And you can find them easily on AliExpress for a very low price. And now let's go to the flipper bats. This is the top view of the playfield in its original stages, with the flipper bats which are totally handmade of layers of aluminium and wood. Here we added the return lane, which is again built from scratch with plastics and aluminium foils. So are you interested in seeing the main mechanism? Here we go. We are below the playfield and we can see the 4 control boards, 2 for the slingshots and 2 for the flipper bats. Each of them controls a single solenoid and light effect associated with it. As you can see, when the solenoid is activated, it applies a rotation to the shaft that is directly applied to the flipper bats. At the end of the movement, this limit switch is pressed and it will limit the voltage applied to the solenoid to avoid overheating when being active for a long time. After some tests with the previous solenoid, we decided to buy 2 stronger ones. As you can see, they are twice larger than before and also their strength is doubled. The mechanism is similar to the previous one, with the usual limit switch that lower the voltage at the end of the movement. For the last part of the video, let's take a look at the slingshots. These elements, when hit by the ball, will activate and kick it to deviate its path. As you can see, there are 2 switches that will be kicked by the rubber band, and in the middle there's a metal plate that will kick the ball when the slingshot is activated. And finally, here there's also a flashing light to improve the look of our slingshots. This is what you can see beneath the playfield. There are the 2 switches and the solenoid with the aluminium bar that goes through the wood panel. And now guys, let's have a short demonstration. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and to see you next time.